Hello lovely people, welcome to another Temu video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing us somewhere on the Temu app where you can get information on all the coupons or deals Temu is offering you. Now Temu actually sends emails, like if they're offering you a coupon or a deal or whatever it is, you get an email, because I do get emails. But aside that, there's somewhere on the app where it's easily spelled out, like it's easily seen. If you're on the affiliate program or the Temu affiliate program, each time you get money is also there in this particular place on the app. You would get the notifications. Now I know a lot of people don't know about it. I myself just even found out, and it's so much easier. I'm just going to show us how to access it. Now click on the U icon and then go to messages. Once you go to messages, you have the promotions, order and shipping, and credit balance. Now you want to click on promotions, and there you have it. Here on this promotions page, you have all the coupon offers, whatever it is Temu is offering you. Like if if you're on the affiliate program like I am, here it says awesome, you've received €2.61 in only 24 hours. So each time I get money in my Temu affiliate pockets, I get notification here. If I'm being offered any gift or whatever it is, Temu also places it here. So all I have to do is, if I want to make an order or anything, I just come here and see what I'm being offered, and I go for it. Like this latest one, I have €7 off, so I can decide to use it or not. So let's click on it. I've actually clicked on this before, so I already chose something that I want to get. But then with this coupon, of course, I still need to meet the threshold, because if I try to check out, this is the message I'm told I have to get to the €25 threshold. So normally what I picked, this is what I picked here, is actually sold for €7.74. Now because they're giving me a €7 off, all I have to pay for this item that I've chosen is 74 cents. So I just have to choose other items to make up €25, my €25 threshold, before I can pay. So that is just it. I can decide to go back and see other offers that have been offered in the past. I think that's one good thing about this. You can actually scroll through to see your past offers that you might have missed, that you didn't use, and you still get to use them if they are still active. Let me click on this one, and it's still active. I can get to use it, and just read through, see what you have available to you, and see if you still want to use it or not. So this one is offering me a 90% credit back. And you should know that with Temu, if you're being offered anything, maybe you're being offered a free gift, coupon, or whatever, there's always something attached to it. There's something you would need to, a threshold you will need to get to. So we have to know that you might be offered a coupon. A coupon is used for when you're just giving some discounts. Let's say you bought something of €100 and you're giving a €30 coupon or something like that. So they deduct €30 from the whole thing you've bought, which is €100. You get to pay 70 instead of 100. If you're giving a Temu credit, your Temu credit is like your cash on Temu. It's not really a cash you can take out into your bank account and do any. No, you can only spend it on the Temu app. So if you're giving a Temu credit, you have that on your Temu app. I already did a video about this. I'll link that in the description. You can use it to buy whatever it is on the app. That's just it. And yes, someone was asking me details about the Temu credit. That's just what it's used for. Anyway, I hope this video has been able to explain. From the title of the video, of course, I just wanted to show us this page on the app, because I know a lot of people do not know about it. Now, if you want to get, as a new user, if you're a Temu app user, if you're new, just use my link to download the app, or you can search for my code in the app itself, the Temu app, and you get access to free gift. This only applies to new users, and you can also get €100 coupon. There are just a lot of gifts for new users. So please use my link to download the app or search for my code. I'm going to leave my link and the code in the description box and also in the comment section, so please check it out. All right, thank you for watching today and have a lovely day. Bye.